Hello my lovely paint pouring friends. I'm going to do another pour today, and I just wanted to show you this one because it's dried beautifully. This is the one I did on the last video and it's just dried beautifully. So I didn't get a chance to show you it at the end of the video because I was all rushing to get the video out, but that's how that one dried and I'm really happy with that. So I'm experimenting with colours today. I do love to do experiments. I've not tried this colour combination before. So what I'm going to do is flood my canvas with yellow. And this is the Arteza Lemon Yellow. And I've just put some white in it just to lighten it up a little bit. So we'll get that blown across the canvas. My edges all nicely covered. Make sure they're all nicely covered in the yellow because I don't want any white showing through with this. Well, with any of them really, but obviously it's going to stand out a bit more with the yellow. So what I'm going to do with this one is I'm going to give it 2 puddles. Same as the last one, well, similar to the last one. So one there and a smaller one up there. Put a tiny bit more on. So that's Amsterdam Permanent Blue Violet. And then I'm going to come in with this one, and this is Amsterdam Pearl Violet. So we'll see what effect that gives on this yellow base, because I've not tried it on the yellow base before. So it'd be interesting to see what happens with this one. They've got quite a lot of these pearl paints and I'm really enjoying using them. I don't think I've recorded a video before with these, so we'll see how this one goes. Just get rid of those bubbles. And this is Magenta from Mont, and I love the Mont paints, absolutely love them. Really good quality paints, and they come in the big 2-litre containers, which I find really useful. So I'll get those off Amazon, and I'll drop the link below the video for my recommended Amazon products, so you can go and have a look at that if you want. This is the DecoArt Extreme Sheen. I've got that a tiny bit thick. This is the silver. I'm just going to put a little bit of water in there because I'm happy for it to be a bit thicker than the other colours, but that's a wee bit too thick. So just put a little bit of water in there and mix that in. I did mix this yesterday and then, oh, I was so dopey. I went and left the pot open like that, so hopefully it seems to have done all right, but obviously I get these pots so I can close the lids, and then I forgot to close the lid. So put that on there and put it on with that because I don't want way too much on that one. And then let's just give that a final torch, and then we're ready to blow it out. So I'm just going to use it on the lowest setting to start with. That is looking very pretty, but I think I might put a bit more colour back in here. This is looking gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. I'm going to put a little bit more in here. So the purple. That lovely pearl. And the magenta. And the silver. And blow that out. Give it a torch. And then we'll blow that one out. Oh, very pretty. Very, very pretty. So I'm going to come in with my little blower now and blow the edges out a little bit. So I didn't know whether the yellow would swallow up all the paint, but so far so good. It's looking really, really pretty. This is beautiful. Blow it out just a wee bit more. And I think I'm going to leave it there because I love it. When I bring it down for a close-up, you'll see how gorgeous this all looks. And the contrast against the yellow is beautiful. It's got a couple of little spots there. Just get those out. There. And a quick blast with the old torch gun. Now I've got some paint left over these colours, and what I might do is I might do a set of coasters, some tiles. So, because I really like the colour combination, and I'm really interested to see how that pearl, the pearl violet, is going to dry with these colours. So I'll do a set of coasters with the paints that I've already got mixed up, but I think that is beautiful. I'm going to bring it down for a close-up so you can see how gorgeous this all looks. So here's the close-up, and I absolutely love it. I love the contrast in those colours. Look how beautiful that looks. How gorgeous is that? Oh, look at that little dog face. I've only just noticed that. Little dog poking through. How cute is that? I hope that stays when it dries. Look at that. How beautiful is it? I love it. I love the colours. So if you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe to my channel and click the little bell notification so you get notified when I bring out more videos. And click the like button if you've enjoyed it, because it all helps us little YouTubers. Isn't it beautiful? I just love it. I love love, love the colours. Beautiful contrasts. Look at those beautiful cells created with the extreme sheen. So that's that one, and I hope you enjoyed it, and hopefully I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.